Rain on the window, silver and slow. Bell on the door played a song.
I didn't know you walked in, shaking water from your hair,
And the whole world got quiet, like it was holding its breath there.
I was lost in the pages,
But then I looked up,
and your eyes met mine.
and time just gave up.
No words at first,
Just a smile, soft and true.
one little moment,
And I already knew it was first sight,
but it felt like forever.
like the universe whispered.
Here I found her, fingers brushed on a book, sparks in the air.
In a bookstore on Maple,
Love caught me unaware, yeah.
I knew right then,
From the very first glance,
I was falling for you.
in a slow, sweet dance.
We talked like old souls in a brand new skin,
About stars and stories,
in the quiet within. You laughed at my jokes like you'd heard them before.
and every second with you
Felt like coming ashore. Helena, you said.
and the name fit like a song.
I said Lucas.
But my heart already knew it was gone.
The rain kept falling,
But inside it was warm,
two strangers standing in.
the calm before the storm.
It was first sight, but it felt like forever. Like the universe whispered.
Here I found her, fingers brushed on a book, sparks in the air.
In a bookstore on Maple,
Love caught me unaware, yeah.
I knew right then,
From the very first glance,
I was falling for you.
in a slow, sweet dance.
We don't need years,
We don't need proof,
just one rainy afternoon.
was enough. Tomorrow's coffee, but it already feels like the rest of our lives is knocking at the door. It was first sight,
But it felt like forever.
two hearts writing a story,
That started with
us together.
now every time it rains,
I'll think of you and the way the world stops